If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medal on my chest. Tell my mom I did my best. Tell my dad not to bow. He won't get attention to me now. Tell my nation not to cry, because I am a soldier born to die.